Welcome once again sa car review natin, Kasarambaw! Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Mambolo Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Marie Agas in your mobile phone. This is a 2024 Toyota Light Ace 1.5 pickup MT. 657K to, Cebu City price ha. May promo is 1 peso based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 18,505.89 and 60 months is 15,634.15. Airbag is driver and front passenger. Brake is anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features electronic power steering. Dito sa harap, dalawa ang grille, taas at baba. Dito sa hood, ang window washer. Chrome Toyota logo. Window type dito sa gitna na grille, matte. Sa baba, window type din. Walang mga fog lamps. Headlights is multi-reflector halogen. Dito sa gilid. Steel rims, silver. Tires is 175 R14 Dunlop. Matte side mirrors. Manual folding and manual adjust. Door trim, matte. Doorknob, matte also. Disuse pag unlock. Side pillar type antenna. Sa likod, may frame dito. Bolt. Pwede itong ma-drop. Pull mo lang dito. Unhook dyan. Then dito sa likod, pull. Unhook din. Mag-drop na yan pa side, i-assist mo lang. Pagbalik, tulak mo. Naka-lip spring ang likod. Then mud flaps. Front suspension, McPherson strut. Rear is lip spring. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is drum type. Gastang cover, disuse. Dito sa likod, plain. May light edge decals dito. Taillights is halogen. One light lang ang paatras. Spare tire sa ilalim. Pagtanggal, ikutin mo lang dyan sa ilalim using tie wrench. Pag-drop dito, pull. Unhook dito. Kailangan matanggal dyan. Sa kabila din, pwede mo na yang ibaba, assist mo lang. Pagbalik, ganito lang. Door panels is dark gray and blue gray combination. Body color, old style door lock. Ito synthetic, parang plasticky. Gray na may dot-dot. Matte doorknob. Manual window. Paikot-ikot pagbukas. Maliit na door handle. Ito synthetic leather. Speaker. Hand grip. Sa driver side na door panels is same. Dark gray and blue gray combination. Ito synthetic, parang plastic. Old style door lock. Matte doorknob. Manual window. Solid, bulky na door handle. synthetic leather, speaker round, hand grip, steering wheel is fixed, plastic, cup holder, pwedeng malagyan, air vents, hood lever. Upuan is fabric. Ito pang front and back adjustment. Ito pang fold sa likod. For spoke steering wheel, urethane. Dash is analog temperature, speedometer. May maliit na display sa gilid. Infotainment is Toyota 2 din via 2 speakers with CD, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary ready. Manual dial type aircon. Doom lights, halogen, sun visor with ticket clip sa driver side. Sun visor lang sa passenger side. May hand grip sa taas. Sa driver side, wala. Rotary type ignition switch. Lagayan ng coins. 12-volt socket. Manual handbrake. Dash-mounted manual transmission. Passenger na upuan is fabric. Pag fold, dito lang sa gilid. Pull mo lang to. Then dito is for front and back. Plastic. SRS airbag. Air vents. Cup holder. Malagyan. Glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.5 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve, dual overhead cam with dual VVTi gasoline engine. Max output is 98 PS, max torque is 134 Nm of torque. Transmission is 5-speed manual, dash-mounted. Fuel tank capacity is 43 liters. So that's it mga kasarambaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Bisayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace! Thank you!